Are you couponing, but you're finding yourself going over your budget consistently? Well, in this video, I'm going to break down the reasons why and how to fix it, so stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for tuning in. My channel is all about teaching you how to coupon and how to save money consistently so you can reach your financial goals every single year. If that's something you're interested in, take a second and smash that subscribe button. I would love to have you as part of the channel and the notification bell so you don't miss out on new deals and new videos I post for you guys every single week to help you reach your goals. So let's dive in. There are 4 reasons why you may be going over your budget even though you're couponing. So let's break each of them down and figure out how we can solve them. Number 1, you may not be finding deals on all of the products that you purchase. Maybe you know how to find the free oral care that we get almost every single week at Walgreens and or CVS. But maybe you struggle with finding deals on the laundry products and the paper products and the cleaning supplies. These products we're using and going through a lot more frequently than toothpaste. A tube of toothpaste could last you a month, depending on how many people are in your family. But toilet paper, we're gonna go through that a lot more quickly. So you wanna make sure that you're finding deals on all of the products that you are purchasing. How do you do that? By going through the weekly ad and putting together your breakdown. If you need help with learning how to find deals on the products that you need, here are my 6 steps. I teach them in my free couponing masterclass. So this will be linked below for you in the description box, or you can click the card in the top right-hand corner. Pick a time that works for you. It also covers what's a good deal, so you know that you're stocking up on the right products at the right time. So learning how to find deals on all the products you use, that's gonna help you save significantly more money. So that's number 1. What's number 2? Maybe you're not couponing consistently. Making sure that you coupon at least once a week, every single week at one store is how you're gonna be able to save money every single month and stick to your budget. If you're couponing every once in a while, but then you're going to the store and paying full price for your products, you're gonna blow your budget. The point of couponing is half of it is learning how to coupon and couponing consistently, and the other half of it is budgeting, tracking your spending, and doing everything consistently. Both pieces of the pie are needed to be able to save money every single month and not blow your budget. So if you're doing one without the other, that's how you can be going over budget. So you want to make sure that you pick one day a week, every single week, that you can coupon. Now, say you pick Monday and something comes up on Monday. Well, then you need to find another day that week that you can coupon. That way your rewards aren't expiring, right? Because register rewards and extra bucks, they do expire. So you want to make sure that they don't expire on you and that you can use them. Otherwise, that savings going right down the drain. So you want to make sure that you're couponing once a week consistently every single week. Okay, reason number 3. Maybe you're not calculating your costs correctly. So what does that mean? Here's an example, and I want you to let me know in the comments which one resonates with you. Say you go couponing at CVS and you have your transaction put together and you're checking out. After you use all of your coupons and extra bucks and store coupons and all of that, say you swipe your card or you pay cash for $31.92, okay? And that includes taxes. But say you get back $30 in extra bucks. Well, what would you be writing in your budget? Would you be writing down $1.92 or would you be writing down $31.92? This is a big reason and one of the main reasons why people are blowing their budget. You're not calculating your costs correctly. If you said $31.92, you are correct. And here's why. Extra bucks or Walgreens cash or register rewards, it's not real money. Now, yes, you can use that to buy real products at those stores, but you cannot use that to pay down your mortgage, to pay off your credit card debt, to buy a new car, or whatever your reason and your financial goal is for this year. You can't use it for that. So you need to use it to lower your out-of-pocket cost and use it the right way. That way you're not spending so much out of pocket. So you cannot calculate your rewards like Walgreens Cash, Extra Bucks, Register Rewards. You can't calculate that as cash because it's not. So what you want to think of is, how much did my bank account actually go down by me purchasing these products? In the example I just listed, it went down $31.92. So that's what you need to put in your budget. Let me show you my budget from the last few months. Here's my budget from February. So you want to make sure consistently every time you go to the store, you're writing down in your budget what you spent out of pocket right here. And this, I like to calculate the product value. So I know how many products I'm getting for the cost. So this is really, really important. If you are consistent with this and you're calculating it the right way, that's how you can learn how to grab over $1,000 worth of products, but I only spent $77.41 out of pocket. So that's how much my bank account went down from grabbing all those products. That's the power of couponing. When you learn how to do it the right way and you learn how to budget and calculate your costs the right way. So that is huge. And honestly, the number one reason why you may be going over budget every single month. Okay, let me show you another one. Here is my budget for March. Now, yes, I do coupon at 3 stores, but I've been doing this for 4 years, so don't let this fool you. You do not have to coupon at multiple stores to be able to stock up on products for your family. I coupon at multiple stores because I do this full time for social media, so I can bring you guys hauls and deals and things at different stores. So here I have all of my out-of-pocket costs written down. If you see a negative, that's because I actually made money from purchasing those products. So you want to make sure you're calculating your costs the right way. I did go slightly over my budget of $100. I spent $104.27. So this is just another example of budgeting, tracking your spending consistently. You want to make sure that you have a schedule and a system in place for every single time you go to the store and you go couponing, whether you have this on your phone and you write it down that way, whether you print it out or have it on your computer and the second you get home, you write it down. Whatever you think is best for you, maybe you keep that in your car and the second you get in from the store, you submit your receipts to whatever rebate apps or anything that you may need and you write down your final cost. Make sure you have a system in place that you can follow consistently and don't break that system. That way you can stay consistent with how much you're spending every single month. And number 4, maybe you're not couponing the right way. And what do I mean by that? When you're couponing, you want to make sure that you're doing a few things. Stacking coupons, store coupons with manufacturer coupons to get the best deals. You also want to make sure that you are arranging your transactions and separating your transactions. You also want to make sure you're rolling your rewards, like those Extra Bucks and the Walgreens Cash and the Register Rewards. You want to know how to use your rewards and still be able to earn them back. That's what we call rolling your rewards. What's the benefit of that? Your out-of-pocket cost goes way down. That's what we want. So learning how to coupon correctly and learning the pieces of the puzzle are really important. It does take time for this, so give yourself some grace. I know when I first started, I was so excited, so gung-ho. I wanted to do all the deals at all the stores. I wanted to do everything. I was so excited. But what happened when I did that? I wound up spending way too much money out of pocket, which was the opposite purpose of couponing, right? I wanted to coupon to save money and use the savings to pay off my credit card debt and pay off my car payment. And I was able to do that once I learned how to coupon the right way, once I kind of took a step back and slowly went through the process to make sure that I'm finding all the deals that I need and stacking my rewards, stacking my coupons, and arranging my transactions the right way. If you need help with learning how to find deals, how to put together your deals, how to stack your coupons, using your rewards, and budgeting, that is what I teach in my Journey to Savings program. I break it down for you step by step so you can implement those strategies immediately, be able to start saving hundreds of dollars every single month. Like my student Mary, she saved almost $700 last month by following the steps and the strategies I teach in that program. So you can do that as well. That'll be linked below for you in the description box. with all of the information, everything that's included, the whole 9 yards. So if that's something that you're interested in and you want the easy step-by-step guide instead of trying to learn how to do it on your own, definitely check that out below. So how do we fix this? How do we make sure that we are not going over budget? Number one, set a realistic budget. Make sure it's something that you can reasonably do. So you need to know how much you were spending out of pocket, or you are currently. Then reduce it a little bit. Say you were spending $300 a month out of pocket on just your household and personal care products. Well, if you are committed to couponing and you are determined and you're like, you know what, 100%, I'm gonna coupon once a week, every single week, nothing is gonna stop me, then maybe bring your budget down to 200 and try to hit that. Then when you're able to reach 200 and you're super proud of yourself and super excited and you saved $100, that'll be motivation for maybe the next month you bring it down to 150 and so on and so forth. So make sure you're setting a realistic budget and track everything that you spend, every cent that comes out of your pocket for all of your household and personal care products. You've got to make sure you're writing it down on whatever budget spreadsheet that you're looking for. Whatever spreadsheet you use, make sure it's simple. If it's really complicated with a zillion different columns and this and math and calculations and you're breaking it all up, I guarantee you're gonna do it for a week or two and then you're gonna be like, you know what, I don't have time for this. And it's gonna discourage you from doing it. So you wanna make sure it's simple. Then of course, coupon. Stay consistent and pick your schedule that works for you. Don't let anything stop you from getting to that store and couponing just once a week. That's all that it takes to save $150, even $200 every single month, depending on how much you're spending currently. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and it helped you a little bit, gave you some motivation to really stick to that budget, take a second and smash that like button for me. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next time.